So today I was listening to the birds and I think they were talking trash about me. So I was keep on listening and I was thinking they are saying not nice stuff about me. So I decided to go for them. Yeah, that's what I said. But we have to be really quiet. Really quiet. We have to be sneaky. Really sneaky, yes. So, you hear them? You hear them mocking me? So rude. So, here I'm getting ready to track them down. What did they say? So rude. And also there was an airplane coming, So mommy helped me because she was thinking they are rude too. So, and here we go. Okay, bye. See you next time. Bye-bye.